How to download Apple devices app in PC or laptop. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's not waste any more time and directly get onto the video. So first of all, you need to go to the Windows search bar from here, and you just have to look for the app Microsoft Store, and then just click on it, and you just have to click on the search bar of this app and search for Apple devices from here. And as you can see, this is the Apple devices official app. You just have to click on that and click on get, and it will start getting ready for installation, preparing to download, and it's just getting downloaded from now. And after the download is complete, we will just install it on our PC or laptop, and you can use it without without facing any problem, and you can access all the Apple devices through this app on your laptop or PC, and you can connect that. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.